To connect a WhatsApp instance, click on the Connections icon in the sidebar to navigate to the Connections page. You'll see the Connections page is empty since we haven't set up any instances yet. Click the Add button to create your first connection. The Connect New Instance modal will appear. Click in the Instance Name field and type a descriptive name for your WhatsApp connection. In the Preferences section, you can configure various settings. The Reject Calls option automatically declines incoming calls to protect your account from unwanted interruption. The Read Status checkbox controls whether read receipts are sent when messages are viewed. Sync Full Chat History determines whether your existing WhatsApp conversations will be imported into the system for reference. Once you've configured your preferences, click the Create Instance button to set up your connection. The system will create your instance and display it with a connecting status. You'll see a success notification confirming the instance was created. Click the Scan QR button to connect your WhatsApp account to this instance. A QR code will appear that you need to scan with your WhatsApp mobile app. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Settings, select Link Devices, and scan this QR code. Once successfully connected, the instance status will change to Online and display your account name and phone number. You can click the Settings gear icon to access additional configuration options for your instance. The shield icon opens anti-ban settings, which helps protect your account from being banned by WhatsApp. You can choose from different presets like Safe for moderate protection. The Strict preset provides maximum protection with stricter sending limits and delays. The Off preset disables anti-ban protections entirely, which is not recommended for bulk messaging. Your WhatsApp instance is now successfully connected. Let's move to the next step, which is creating a message template. To create a message template, we'll start with a fresh local templates page that shows no existing templates yet. Click the New button to begin creating your first template. The Create Template modal opens with the Template Name field ready for input. Enter a descriptive name for your template in the Template Name field. Type your promotional message content in the Message Content field, including any variables you want to use for personalization. Notice the variable syntax hint that shows how to format dynamic content in your messages. Scroll down to see the name variable that's been automatically detected in your message content. To make your message more engaging, click the Upload area to add an image to your template. Once uploaded successfully, you'll see a confirmation notification and a preview of your image. Complete the template creation by clicking the Create button. Your template is now successfully created and ready to use in your marketing campaigns. Let's move on to creating and managing a broadcast campaign. To create and manage a broadcast campaign, click on the Mass Messaging option in the sidebar. You'll see the Mass Messaging dashboard with helpful information about campaign features. Click the New Campaign button to start creating your broadcast. Give your campaign a descriptive name. This helps you identify it later when managing multiple campaigns. Choose your sender instance from the dropdown. This is the WhatsApp account that will send the messages. Review the campaign mode and campaign type options available to understand your choices. Notice the different campaign types. You can explore drip sequence, but for now, keep it on broadcast for one-time messaging. Pay attention to the WhatsApp web campaign warning, which explains important limitations for web-based campaigns. You can also check out group blast mode, but we'll stick with personal for direct individual messaging. Adjust the delay between messages using the slider. This prevents your account from being flagged for spam by spacing out the send. Click on the date and time field to schedule when your campaign should start. Select your preferred date from the calendar that appears. Set the specific time you want the campaign to begin sending messages. Hit Next to proceed to the audience selection step. On the Select Audience page, you can download a template to see the required CSV format for contact. Click the Upload area to add your contact CSV file. Make sure it includes a proper phone column with the correct formatting. If you get an error about the phone column, try uploading a properly formatted CSV file. When successful, you'll see a confirmation showing how many contacts were loaded from your file. You can also select contacts from your existing database using the All Contacts tab, with options to select or deselect all. The By Tags tab lets you target specific groups if you've organized your contacts with tags. Return to the CSV Upload tab to continue with your uploaded contacts. Click Next to move to the message template selection. You can create a new template if needed or use an existing one from your library. Select your desired template from the drop-down menu. Review the message preview to ensure your content looks exactly how you want it to appear. Double-check everything looks good. You can always create new templates if you need different content. When everything is configured correctly, click Finish and Create to save your campaign. Your campaign is now created and saved as a draft, ready to be launched when the scheduled time arrives. You can manage campaigns using the menu icon. Options include canceling if you need to stop a campaign. When you cancel a campaign, you'll get confirmation and the status will update accordingly. Click on any campaign to view detailed information about its performance. The campaign details show comprehensive stats including total leads, delivery status, and any issues that occurred during sending. Your broadcast campaign is now configured and ready to send messages to individual contacts. Let's move on to setting up a group blast campaign to reach multiple WhatsApp groups simultaneously. To set up a group blast campaign, head back to the Campaigns page and click the New Campaign button. Enter a descriptive name for your group blast campaign in the campaign name field. Select your connected WhatsApp instance from the Sender Instance drop-down menu. Choose Group Blast as your campaign type to send messages to multiple WhatsApp groups simultaneously. Adjust the delay between messages slider to 15 seconds to avoid appearing too automated to WhatsApp's system. Click the calendar icon and schedule when you want your campaign to run, setting both the date and specific time. Hit Next to proceed to the group selection step. On the Select Groups page, you can choose specific groups or click Select All to target all available groups. Notice the counter displaying how many groups you've selected for this blast campaign. Review your selected groups in the list and click Next when you're satisfied with your selection. You'll choose your message content by selecting one of your pre-created templates from the available options. Complete your group blast setup by clicking the Finish and Create button. You can navigate back to review your campaigns or create additional ones using the Back button. Your group blast campaign is now configured and ready to send. Let's move on to configuring a drip message sequence. To configure a drip message sequence, start by entering your campaign name in the designated field. Choose your WhatsApp sender instance from the drop-down menu. Select Drip Sequence as your campaign mode to enable automated message timing. Adjust the delay between messages. This controls the spacing between each message in your sequence. Hit Next to proceed to the Contact Upload section. Upload your CSV contact file. You'll see a confirmation showing how many contacts were loaded successfully. Click Next to move to the message configuration stage. On the Message Steps page, select your desired template for the first step of your drip sequence. Enable exact time and set your preferred sending time to ensure messages go out at specific hours. Turn on the follow-up option to add additional messages within the same step. Type your follow-up message content in the text area provided. Review the Send After timing to control when the follow-up message will be sent. Click Add Step to create the next message in your drip sequence. For Step 2, modify the Wait For duration to set how long to wait before sending this message. Add another step to continue building your automated sequence. In Step 3, adjust the waiting period to create proper spacing between messages. Continue adding steps to extend your drip campaign. Set the wait duration for Step 4, creating a longer gap for better engagement timing. Add the final step in your sequence. Configure the longest wait duration for your final message to complete the nurturing sequence. Scroll through your sequence to review all the steps and timing you've configured. Use the back arrow to exit the campaign setup and return to the main dashboard. Let's move on to configuring the device warmer to keep your WhatsApp account healthy. To configure the device warmer, click on the device warmer icon in the sidebar. The device warmer page opens showing your current warming sessions. In this case, we don't have any active sessions yet. Click the New Warming Session button to create your first warming session. The warming session setup page loads. Here, select your WhatsApp instance. We'll choose Personal Demo for this example. you'll see the warm-up plan options. These plans determine how aggressively your device will send warming messages. Let's explore the aggressive option first, then check out normal. Click on conservative to see this gentler warming approach. Let's go back to normal plan and examine the daily schedule feature, which shows you exactly when warming messages will be sent throughout the day. Switch to aggressive to see its detailed description and higher message frequency, then return to normal for a balanced approach. Under message language, select the languages you want for your warming messages. Here we'll choose Malay and English to make the messages appear more natural. Review all your settings by scrolling through the page, then hit Next to proceed. On the warming types page, add seed numbers. These are phone numbers that will receive your warming messages. Enter a phone number in the seed numbers field. Click Add Number to save that contact, then add a descriptive label like Warmer1 to keep track of your warming contact. You'll notice some features like self-warming might not be available depending on your plan or account type. The Manual Targets toggle allows you to manually control which numbers receive warming messages. You can enable or disable this as needed. After reviewing all your warming type settings, click Next to move to the final step. On the review page, double-check all your warming session settings, then click Start Warming to activate your device warming campaign. Your device warmer is now configured and ready to maintain your account's health. Let's move on to using the lead extractor and auto invite tool. To use the lead extractor and auto invite tools, click on the Export Contact option in the sidebar. First, you'll need to select your WhatsApp instance. Choose the personal demo instance here. Let's explore the different extraction options by clicking on Contact Extractor, then Group Extractor. Click on the Label Extractor tab to see how you can extract contacts based on specific label. Take another look at the Label Extractor features by selecting this tab again. Next, we'll explore the Auto Invite feature. Click on the Auto Invite tab. Here you can see the options to either select an existing group or create a new one for your auto invite campaign. Browse through your existing groups by scrolling down the list and select the group you want to invite people to. In this case, we're choosing ADSB Marketing JV. Once you've selected your target group, click Next to proceed. You'll see the contact selection options. You can invite from your contacts, leads, or add them manually by exploring these three tabs. The Manual tab allows you to add contacts directly by following the specific instructions shown here. You can switch between these different contact selection methods to find the most suitable option for your campaign need. If you need to go back and make changes, simply click the back arrow to return to the previous screen.